Hello guys, welcome back to another video that I'm gonna go through walls for the first time, and actually this is a mod show guys. Then it is the going through walls mod. Okay, going through walls mod. Going through walls. See, I can go through walls. I mean this. Awesome. Awesome. So this is a just an ugly mod. So ugly. No originality. So hacker. Going back here. Oh, so that's all about that. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. This is a mod in my Minecraft real life. So peace out guys. Bye. Profits.